Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see Microsoft Word Home tab. Home tab, it is the many part of Microsoft Word where you can find all the necessary tools you can use in a document. Before starting, let's make a short document. We are going to use it in order to see all those parts, how they can work. For example, let me text welcome to Africa, the continent, the continent of happy people. So, for example, let's use this one. Welcome to Africa, the continent of the happy people. As I told you, today we are going to see Home tab. Let's start for the clipboard. The clipboard have four many tools which are going to see each and everyone what can do. Let's start. We have paste. Paste, you use the word paste to paste something which you have already copied or which has already cut it from somewhere else and we want to use it in another place. Here we have the word cut. You can use the word cut to cut something and go paste it somewhere else. But also you can use it to cut it completely. You don't leave anything else there and you don't paste it anywhere else. And here there's the last one, which is copy. Copy, it means you are going to make a duplicate of that word. It means that word is going to remain that place and you take it duplicate to another place. After you have format paint. Format paint, it is used to copy a font of that word and you can go and change the font of another word in the place you want it to change. It means you just copy the font, not the full word. And in Word, before doing any action, you have first to select the word where you want it to be appear. For example, if you are going to copy something, let's for example copy the word Africa. First you have to select it. After select it, you come to the position of word and here you see the word copy. You copy it. After copy, you have to move the cursor where you want it to be pasted. Then you go back to home page, you find the word paste and you click to paste where you put the cursor and the specific word can be appear where you want it. And you press OK. The word will be appear there in the same format. That is copy and paste. The next thing we are going to do to see how to use it, it is the word cut. Let's for example copy the word people, go home and click to the word cut. As I told you, for the first time you can cut it and not paste it anywhere else, but also you can cut it and go paste it somewhere else. Like for example, you can come, you go below welcome or up, depending on what you want. Let me paste it up, then you make it paste there. That is the second function or the second way you can use the word cut. When you use it, you cut something and you paste it somewhere else. After that, there's a word formatting painter. This, you just copy the format of the word, not a word. For example, let me first change this welcome. Let me change it to italic. As you can see, the whole text, it is not in the same format. So I'm going to change this format, italic, in the word which is happy. I'm going to select it first, then go back to home, press format paint, then come back to the word. When you reach to the word, the cursor will come appear when you press enter. Sorry, let me go back. When you press on it, the word will change automatically. Let me copy welcome. You get to font and you come. When you reach to the word, you see the cursor, they have something which is like a pencil. So when you press it, the word it changes automatically. That is how all the part for the clipboard work. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and make comment. See you. Thank you.